open. We got overnight highs at 140.
Hello, good morning everyone. Happy Thursday everyone. Good morning. Let's get started. We got PCE that was released today. Market is kind of consolidating near the high. Of course, people are saying it's the top. I don't know. I'm gonna see with price.
Even if every trade loses.
Excellent performance would be it. Failed again. So I'll let things load up, but we're just moving nice and slow. You know, before last night I had a little bit of a not the best moment. You know, how do you arguably sorry guys, I'm forgetting English. Anyways, I just you know, I felt a sense of aggression, you know, because my contaminated rules said I should have been banned today. But then I was like, you know, I've been following my consequences. I will say I've been following my consequences. It's not like this is not like something I'm not doing, but I do feel that you know, I didn't have to do that, but basically I just felt like my rules were just a bit too aggressive for that, like variance and a little bit of hesitation costing me. I don't want to ban myself for that, so that's what I did. But then it became a little bit dangerous because it felt like more, I call it the corrupted voice. And basically I tried to increase my points looking for more today, but then I was able to stop myself. But anyways, just wanted to get that out of the way. So things are open now. Let's get started. Okay, so wow, on the one day we did have a liquidity sweep doing a wick test on the 1 week. Buyers bid up though. That's really it right now. So we had a liquidity sweep, retrading some of this. You know, we revisited for just a bit though, but good thing we did. In the 1 hour, it's a little bit more clear. So I saw this last night. Buyers did step in for liquidity. We generated more liquidity. We had a double bottom, but failed this time. Very aggressive selling around here. Then we slowed down. A nice grind up. Had a second leg, and now we're back at the high, where buyers have shown signs of strength. ES is moving slower though, which is normal. So VIX is still not really moving. You know, look at the regular trading hours too, so it's the same. Solid. So just a lot of chop, like it's just a moment of like sitting and seeing what it delivers. But let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. We're both under valley area. I mean, the same opening. Aggressive sell side opening from yesterday and today. If we get above this low volume node, a little bit of a generating liquidity, so to this level be a potential setup. Let the candle close, of course. Good close. Might be a limit order. Just want to see how we hold that low volume node. We got put my order. It got filled. It filled me out. Nice little scalp. Good limit order entry. The whole thesis of this trade was have the low volume node as protection, trade to the level. That's it. Very clean. I'm just looking at the rally up because there was a lot of EMAs. Trap sellers with this flips green. Still strong selling. good play, but I just don't like the risk I'm gonna be taking to try to set up. And we are exhausting, 100%. Totally exhausting right now too. I mean, Delta's picking up too. Buyers are showing strength here. Trying a little bit here. Okay, if I got filled here, first touch, I know I don't trust it. If it plays, but I would fully feel like a retracement potential. I mean, my risk is not really justified too. Just like one aggressive buyer has to step in. I'm still in the trade. Wow. Consolidating a lot. It's really struggling though. I would expect to break out now. This is a good opportunity when we break even. Okay, I did play out. And it was a good exit that I targeted. Look at the response to it. Oh, wow. I mean, a breakout was gonna happen. Look at this consolidation. Oh, sorry guys, you couldn't see it. Look at this strong consolidation. Very strong consolidation. The market did play where it wanted to play, and I knew it was gonna front run it. This is a more technical sound spot to get out, you know. And then boom, buyers manipulate higher. After that consolidation, after that, I got seller made a new low. Actually, pretty cool stuff. On ES, that's good. We got out of that range, but I mean, it's also a little bit worrisome that ES looks like it's leading now. See how buyers react to the low volume nodes. I don't think it's gonna give it. It's probably gonna just play, but Clean breakup. You can expect a displacement after such a manipulation. I would like to see a pullback where where ES takes a little bit deeper pull, and then NQ leads to play. Both of them play value area together. Value area low. This manipulation. I'm gonna get a nice entry. I want this to happen fast. be more quiet today than usual. And that's just because the market's not doing much. Gotta be careful of that though, because if I'm gonna live stream my thoughts, I mean, I'm still having thoughts, but they're for some reason being more internal. Basically, I'm just like, it's second leg structure. We had a nice hammer, or that, yeah, it's a hammer, and then and then but sellers, I mean, sellers are holding this area very well. They've come down 1, 2, 3 times. This is a range. Like, we've been in this area for a little bit. Breakout is potential. Like, I see the retrading the value area low from yesterday is possible. That's what my edge is right now. Problem is that's not gonna give an opportunity. Oh, it's 10 a.m. They already got it. If I just left my order, but it's okay. Let's see if I kept my order. It's not gonna be a good sign. The move happened, right? It's funny, we did kind of front run it, so it's a good thing I actually exited a lot sooner. It was at 10 a.m. and honestly, I was too focused on explaining it that I couldn't see it, but that's okay. So buyers bring the price back to the center of the range. Strong selling. Yes, we tested value area low. I see a multi-top could happen. And buyer stepping for sure. Need to see strong buyers. Delta is struggling though. That's something to note. I mean, we're still positive, but still, like, we're not great. Sellers moving. Oh god, I haven't had a sip of coffee. Now the problem is we're gonna touch Valeria low on ES. I don't like that. If it was first touch, would have been stomp out. Definitely learned my lesson from yesterday. Just don't keep an order open like till you're really ready. Because then these noises can happen and she's just upset. You just get frustrated because you know that it was just there because you felt like just don't keep your order resting. This is rule that I learned.
So, how are you feeling? Are you self-aware? How's your self-control? How's your emotion ready?
Oh, force habit. I mean, I should have. But yeah, I feel good. So here's the play again. I'm just wondering over the wall like this. Why I hesitated there is just because I was kind of already too late. I didn't want to take the risk of it, of me getting filled and then just like a retrace to VWAP. Like I'm too close to VWAP, which makes me a little bit more skeptical of taking the trades. And I also don't like what ES is doing. So there's the play of LVN. This hole is a low volume node. Very little volume conducted here in the season. So we need strong acceleration to get past this. Straight to exit. Should have just went with my guts and been like, nah, that's not it. Annoying, but okay. Because I was like, that's why I kept hovering over the X. I should just dipped it and left it. I knew they was gonna get pain. Like, what was I thinking? Sometimes I'm just like, just do it. Like, get out of it. You don't have to take it now. And even if if I had a better feel, like I kept my order here, like I could have totally paid that better. It's just like I think the problem is because I left my order, I'm like, oh, you need to play that now. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I just should have not entered that trade. That's the thing. Like, I just cancel it, cancel it. It's not needed. It's just not needed. That was too fast, I feel. Too aggressive with the entry, maybe. Let's see, aggressive buyer stepped in. Oh my god. Beautiful slippage. Absolutely beautiful slippage. A horrible slippage. But still, I could have got better slippage on that. Like, seriously, it ran up 9,000, you slipped me up. Like, how does it even do that? That's just so annoying. How the it says $10,000, but you're filling me a I don't know, man. That's some bullshit. That's some absolute bullshit, but I'll take it. Nah, I can't trade anymore. I'm done. I'll take that. Like, it is what it is. But really? Like, it ran 10,000. It ran 10,000. And you're really trapping me? Like, what a fill, though. Did I know that was gonna happen? No. But what a fill. But I'm not, I just like, it's frustrating. You know what's so ironic? I hate that I'm thinking about this, but like, this what's so ironic is that I even thought to put my, like I said, to put it at 8,000, and then this happens. I would have got my 8,000 fill. Wow, man, in one trade. I'm just so like, what? Like, I don't get that. It runs up to that much, but it's getting me, and I got slipped somehow. Oh god. Oh no. Yeah, sorry. I know because I set my limit to 4,000, but like that's not the problem. It's like I'm just like very upset with this. Like just that this trade ran up $10,000. Oh, okay. So this was news related. So basically it's there's an approval that Trump's like they reached an agreement, but these approvals the market was forward looking again. But what I'm worried about, please, I don't think so, because at the end of the day, why would that do me like that? But if it thinks that my equity high ran that much, I would be shocked, man. That's not my fault. Like this is not. I'm gonna be shocked if that's the case. How does it like this is? I know I should just accept it. Like I'm still up, right? But like there was literally what $6,000 more on the table, which I couldn't get nothing of. I mean, yes, I did set that as a limit. But like, why can I not get the slip? Why can I like? How did I manage in that aggressive move to not get slipped positively? And I saw the number appear as 9,000. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Well, whatever. There's gonna be more opportunities. It's beautiful, but more opportunities for sure. What a rally though. It was just news related though. I got filled before that, and somehow it was still okay to get me out here. There's like I don't even know how filled me. What's this price? I'm just shocked how. I get that I set that rule and it should get me out at that place, but with slippage like that, you still manage 51s, right? 51s. 50. I don't know how I got filled. This is nothing but like just crazy price action. Okay, no, the 51s did have actually a point of transaction. Never mind. Okay, did you see? That's probably. I simulate this, so it's not actually me. But yeah, that makes more sense. But what a move, man. What a move. And I'm gonna have to deal with that, like accept that. Why is this? I don't like events. That's something. There's nothing I can do, right? I'm just scared because I don't. What I'm scared about is that my net equity hit that amount. If that's the case, I'm blown up. That's not even my fault. There's liquidity at 180. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. And what's crazy is that this move didn't have to happen. It was literally just because of news. So who knows if I even got filled. I got extremely lucky. But extremely lucky with the sense that, okay, I'm still like somehow somehow that's okay. I mean, but what, I don't know. I mean, theoretically, even if you did have a take profit here and you got slipped by it, you're not gonna slip by the whole move, right? So I guess, but I do wish I got slipped like maybe 5 points. That would have been at least a little bit better. But somehow Trade of Eight managed to it's okay. There's a low volume node here. So I'm just staying a little bit longer just to see like how we rallied, right? But this rally brought us to the highs basically. We're not like high, but what a rally. And then here we're just basically at the resistance level that was 1, 2, and now the third time. Let's see how we react to it. We're consolidating. I mean, of course we're gonna consolidate out a strong move. The low volume mode will be protected. Do I think we're gonna retrade this? Probably not. Like, only if Trump says, yeah, never mind, because that's the only way. Like, really. Yeah. So ES. Oh shit! ES made a new high on that. Wow. Okay. ES made a new high on that, and NQ is lagging behind. So NQ is lagging behind. This is a little bit bearish, to be honest. But anyways, we're closing a doji on the top. So anyways, I'm done. I don't know how to feel about that. Like, yes, I'm definitely salty simply because it's so crazy how I set it $8,000 and I said it 8. Oh my god. Okay, so now there's news that Trump says he needs a little time to think about it. This is so gonna retrade back lower. Let's see. I mean, I wish I could trade, but my rules, I can't change them mid trading. It's impossible. So there's nothing I can do here. I have to just accept it. But who knows? I didn't know there was gonna be news here. Who knows? Yeah, I don't think this rally's gonna hold. Yeah, I mean, like, okay. Yeah, just I'm definitely a little bit salty. I'm gonna have to see. I don't think so. Like, I generally don't think so. I think this is my equity high. But it's crazy how could have walked away with 10,000 or near 10,000, right? And how the night before I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it 8,000, and then just before bed I was like, no, that's not right. I put it to 4,000. But this is a variance thing. I'm not gonna be like, oh, like, you know, but it's kind of funny that happened. But I mean, at the end of the day, like, this trade isn't going. I'm really upset about this one. This is not going short notice. Like, very disappointed in that trade. Like, what are you doing? Like, seriously, just close a limit order entry and do not enter it. Like, that's it. Okay, what was I remember? Oh, this was a trade to play point of control, right? Yeah, but like, look at play point like, this is it, right? Instead, let the candle close, remove your limit order, and let it give the pain, and then boom, it made the move. It's upsetting that had to happen. I'm gonna give this a A strategy, but a C execution. And then this trade that I got filled here. I will admit, like, I kind of pre-entered it. It could have 100% been a loser. But yeah, I mean, I played a lot more than I could have played. And it's a little bit unfortunate, but that's just reality. Look at this retracement back lower. If people are reading the news, it's just like, it's easy money, man. Easy money, seriously. Basically, I don't expect this to I expect this to retrade the view up. Like, we're already giving back most of the move. I mean, if buyers show strength here, but like, the thing is, I wouldn't. I mean, we did play value area high, but like, look at ES, man. ES really had a good run up. 25 points, just 35. Or like, still. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not proud of that trade simply because like that's what I've been talking about. I don't know what it's like. I think what happened is I saw the move and then I was like, could play, maybe I get filled, let me keep my limit order. But that's a horrible idea. This is the same thing as keeping a stop order and keeping a resting order, but now it's a limit resting order. Both are invalid, right? I should have just press cancel, let it, because look, after where's the pain in this move? No pain. And then that's why the market retraded, did a wick test, and then boom, play the move. Then you keep your order after the pain was given. Like, that's how you play it. You know this, Aki. That's why I was upset, because it's an identity hit. It's not like, it's like you're disappointed in the fact that you know better to do that, know better to trade that. So we had a little bit of retracement with this low volume node, but I have to go, unfortunately. Like, this is cool. This is good price action to trade. But I'm the one who put the 4,000. It's not a bad thing, but I'm just a little bit like, I think the only thing is that how much I could capitalize, how much I could have capitalized. But somehow it filled me, which is okay, filled me at my thing, but it filled me at my thing with that much slippage, at a lower price and not even a higher price, when trading view itself was still hitting like 10,000, like it was 9,000 something, whatever. But wow, that's honestly, that's the biggest number. Actually, that's not true. I've seen big numbers, because that's when long time ago, but like that felt good to see. I do not think this is gonna happen again, so I'm not gonna like, get all ambitious or some shit. Sorry, I should not abuse, I swear. But yeah, good stuff. I mean, honestly, crazy stuff. It's crazy, like that I put my order at that time, and I got to ride that, even though yes, couldn't capitalize on it properly. Ironically, like I said, I did set at 8,000, but I made it 4,000. Still, I'm closing the day positive. Closing the day positive. I'll take that as a win for sure. I'll take that as a win. Yeah, we're at our equity high. Like, there's positives for sure. There's definitely positives. This trade I'm disappointed in, just simply because I know better. Do not keep a resting order. The candle is gonna close. It fills you, but you can't handle that risk. What you should have done is just simply remove the order, let the noise happen, and then keep your order. Because look at this beautiful hammer. That's what you need. Okay. So overall, good stuff. Let's get out of here. And honestly, good movement. Like after that, like yes, we consolidated with this nice push down to trade. We traded value area high, and then buyer stepping in to trade low volume node. That's two opportunities right there. Doesn't mean I would have capitalized on both. Okay. I'm really interested to see what would be the results. I think it's just gonna be that I hit 4,000. I don't think that's gonna happen, because you know what I think actually happened is that because trading view is just a lagging indicator, it's slower, right? So what I think happened is that it ran up that much, but the thing is, like, it on trading view it's telling me it ran up 10,000, but Trader had already executed like milliseconds earlier. So it already executed the moment it hit my take profit and it hit 8,000. Trader was like execute, right? But trading view because it was slow, it allowed me to see what I could have got, even though TradingView was lagging, and it was a lagging indicator of what's actually happening because TradeAway already executed. That's the problem when you trade on a I don't know if it's a third party, second party, because I use TradingView to execute from TradeAway, so those things happen. So I think there's no problem with that. To be honest, no, right? Yeah. Wait. No, because I was at 2,400. I don't even think I'm at my equity high, which is crazy. And my TT is my trailing threshold may be a little bit higher, but I'm like $500 close to it. But yeah, good day overall. I think the next step would just be tomorrow, just continue system execution. Don't do stuff like, don't keep passive orders. Let the candle close. I swear, I literally put a sign there. Like, it's so powerful. Like, I'm saying, I take such better trades when I let the candle close, and then I let the noise happen, then I get in. No resting orders. Even if you miss it, you miss it. Like, if you miss it and like has a little bit of retracement, limit order. But if you have a stop order, put the stop order, but let the pain happen first. You are not part of the pain because I don't have risk to handle the pain. If I did, of course I don't mind a little bit of pain during the, but it's better to avoid it, right? So yeah, on the right side we did get to close positive, so I'm gonna be happy with that. So that's it. I'm gonna call it and get moving on the next things. Thanks guys for tuning in. I appreciate you. What a fun day, like funny day, I would say. But yeah, we just come back tomorrow and continue that system execution. I will admit I'm feeling a little bit regret because I'm just like, only if I didn't like modify that 8,000 and I just left that 8,000. But it's okay, these things happen. It's like, what if it was 8,000, it's just one day of max profit, right? You know, like, okay, cool, whatever. Let's get moving. Take care, guys. Wait a minute. No, it moved 100 points. 40 points is 8,000. 60 points is 12,000. And then 80 points is 16,000. That's crazy. I could have made $20,000 on that one trade. But the thing is, did I anticipate that? Even because the thing is, I would have always had to take profit, right? Would I have known to keep my take profit there? No. Would I have known to act in the news at that moment? No. Like, none of this is valid. So yes, I could have passed the valuation in that one trade, but there was no potential possibilities of happening, because even if I got slipped, I would have not got slipped to the end of the move. I would have, like, there was multiple points of that move where there was small milliseconds of transactions which would have filled me out, and that's my favorable slippage. But that did not happen, you know, and that's a very hard thing to happen, right? But that's pretty crazy how that was a 20,000 point move, $20,000 point move. Okay, peace guys, take care. Have a great one. See you all tomorrow.